What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode we are going to be looking at XRP, Solana, as well as Ethereum, Bitcoin, QQQ, and the S&P 500. Guys, we have a lot of things to go over in today's episode. Some very odd movements have taken place over the past couple of days here, but we are starting to see light at the end of the tunnel as XRP is finally starting to trade above a major resistance. And if this does decide to keep up, we should really be expecting to see a pretty solid run to the upside here. We're just starting as of today to start trading above a major resistance level here. Now, I don't believe that we have enough room to be moving this up and down like this. I don't think we have the charts aligned with it all that well. So keeping it how we have it seems to be pretty accurate. However, moving forward, it's not just XRP that's starting to head higher. We also have things like Solana, which is heading to the upside here, which is also an excellent sign. Then we will also be looking at Ethereum, which is slowly bottoming off and heading upwards here. Bitcoin, which is consolidating back into its major resistance, filling in this gap quite nicely. You can see something along the lines of this right here. We then have QQQ, which is still doing all right. Like, we've certainly hit some sort of bottom, and I'm hoping that now we can start to head upwards, as that's what we're all so patiently waiting for, even within the stock market. So there is a lot to go over in today's video. Definitely make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before I dive into the technical analysis, remember Bydfi is doing a new trading competition that just released as of yesterday. It's a way for you guys to get free bonus cryptocurrency on trading volume and weekly return on rewards. So basically, how you rank with your ROI will earn you free cryptocurrency that you can withdraw at any given notice. It's super cool. It's better than a trading bonus, which you can only withdraw the profits earned off that. So this is super cool. Bydfi's been around for like 5 years, and I've been using them ever since. They have more than 1 million people that trade on their platform here. So they've done nothing but upgrade and make their exchange better and better and better. And we'll talk more about Bydfi later on in today's episode. But if you want to check them out, definitely make sure to click the link down in the description below. But moving forward from here, you can see yesterday's episode, we were looking at the fact that you need to check out the new formation that's taking place on XRP. As we're starting to consolidate, it seems like we found some sort of uptrend and some sort of support that will hopefully carry us out of the major bull flag descending fractal that's taking place. You can see here, just like that, we are starting this uptrend here. Bitcoin is doing the same exact thing, and a lot of these cryptos have found a support and are slowly and subtly heading to the upside. So I'm very excited to see this take shape. Now, moving forward from that, I do briefly want to look at the coin market cap really quickly. And you can see we're only up about 2%, but we are starting to move up slowly, but surely we are headed to the upside here, which is definitely a really good sign, as this will ultimately move us forward into, hopefully a breakout to the upside here. All these cryptocurrencies are doing pretty good. 3% across the board seems to be what most of these cryptos are up. XRP is up 6.8% here. We had just surpassed Tether in now the number 3rd spot, which is super cool. But otherwise, we don't look half bad in regards to the markets here. We're still consolidating. The thing is, we're getting very close to the weekend, and typically we don't see much movement except for Sunday, surprisingly, but we don't usually see much movement on these cryptocurrencies. So to start with XRP, like, we've had this downtrend and we've been doing nothing but rejecting off this support and falling to the downside consistently here. And here we are for the first time starting to trend out of it. We had this major run, which we discussed in yesterday's episode as to what this was caused by, the major pump and then the major dump. And then now we're starting to see some consolidation. This was about a crypto like reserve. And then this was the tariff confirmation on Monday, which caused a major correction in price here. So it's very interesting to see where we are now. But this, after this dump, all that we are seeing now is buy the rumor, sell the news. And here we've now consolidated after it. The news is old, and we are starting to close and trend above a major resistance that we haven't seen in many, many, many months. So what we're looking for now is hopefully we close exactly where we are, because this inevitably is above major resistance. And we're only trading at about 50 on the RSI. So this gives us tons of room and tons of potential to head to the upside. So hopefully we can complete this and inevitably continue to pump upwards here. So I'm very excited to see where exactly we go to moving forward from here. But ideally, if we can close today above here, there's a good chance come Monday and moving forward into next week, we should be able to see the final reversal outside of the bull flag that we've been forming for months now, since January. So this is definitely good news. Call it maybe the one last run that XRP has left. But we'll see what exactly happens. Anyway, moving forward from XRP, I do want to look at Solana here, and then we'll check out Bydfi. But you can see, similarly with XRP, there's also like other uptrends here forming with Solana as well. So you can see how XRP is trending us out. Solana is doing the same thing. We've been in this trend since January as well and have done nothing but confirmed major resistance. We have done nothing but trend sideways, dump, hit resistance, dump, hit resistance, dump, stair-stepping downwards pattern, and we are finally starting to trade out of it, and this is definitely good news. Now, could we stretch it a hair? Yes. But part of me doesn't want to, because we can include this resistance too. So we are starting to trend out of it, and it's certainly good news if you ask me. And if things do keep up, we should hopefully be able to, like I said before, confirm the confirmation today, start to branch out as of this Friday, and then inevitably move up to moving average with the goal of retesting moving average right here. That's what we're looking for, and that's what I'm expecting to see happen. Pretty much head up to this major resistance up here. This is the breaking point that we're really waiting for, is a reversal up to here. If it doesn't happen this weekend, like it's inevitably going to happen, with us consistently heading to the downside here, starting from, you know, a position of 71 on the RSI, falling to like 30 on the RSI, and now slowly moving back up, we have a new higher low formation here. It's no longer a lower low pattern. We now have higher lows. This should inevitably swing us back up to moving average with a target of 200 on Solana here. We could do all these trades on Bydfi, as you guys know, because Bydfi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange. That is one of very few exchanges that offers XRP to leverage trade, which makes them stand out and also makes them very unique. So definitely make sure to check out Bydfi down in the description below. One of the few exchanges pretty much that I've been using for several years now that has stuck and withstood the test of time. I have used other exchanges, but this one has been around for 5 years and has really proven itself, you know, throughout all of them. They've had XRP for the longest time too, so that's also a huge perk. But I wanted to show you too, if we go over to the demo trading account, you can see here, if we pull this up, here we go. They give you $50K in demo money to practice trading your skills, get familiar with the exchange, and then when you're ready, you can head on over to the live trading account and use your bonus money, and whatever you get with that bonus money, you can trade around with too. So you can get this bonus money from the reward center here, $8,100 in free bonus cryptocurrency by completing these rewards. You get free crypto from the trading competition, and that isn't bonus money, so you can do whatever you want with that here. But there's a lot of options and a lot of free promo going on Bydfi, so definitely make sure to check this out. But aside from Bydfi and Solana and XRP, look at these other cryptos. So it's like XRP and Solana that have managed to break out of its major downtrend here, but then we have cryptos like Ethereum which haven't done that. We've actually been continuously floating to the downside. We're still stuck within this lower high, lower low pattern, heading downwards and downwards and downwards. So what we are waiting for is to close us above this major resistance here. You can see in green where we've kind of been problematic in the past, but we are rebounding. We have now started to create higher lows. So ideally, we should head to the upside. That's what I'm truly waiting for here. And hopefully it happens, but we are looking to rebound nicely off this and head back to retest price ceiling. Same thing with Bitcoin too. We're starting to fill in this gap here, rejecting off moving average up top. But ideally, we want to fill this in, which could be just like 3 or 4 more days, basically next week, and then hopefully we can rebound and reverse out of that. And as for these other cryptocurrencies, we're just consolidating. It's very wonky because we are so oversold right now. So ideally, what we're looking for is to confirm that this is the bottom and head up and really start to reverse, which looks like we're really stopping out on the dump and really trying to reverse out of it, which is what I think is going to happen. I really do think we have the potential to reverse out of this bottom here, as we've done so many times in the past. You can see Liquid caused that afterwards. So that's what I'm truly waiting for. But that's it for today's video. Smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. See you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.